What's going on everyone? In this video I will show you how to fix Galaxy A56 Bluetooth not working. So let's start the video. First of all, swipe down to your control center and here you can turn on or off your Bluetooth. After turning on or off your Bluetooth, then go back to your home screen and restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then click on restart. After restart your device, then open settings and scroll down and click on battery. Now turn off power saving mode. If you turn it on, then turn it off. After turning off power saving mode, then go back and scroll down in last and click on general management. After clicking on general management, then here you can see the option reset. Now click on reset and then scroll down and click on reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth settings. Now again click on reset settings. After reset the network settings, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.